guys, so I just want to show you one of my pets. Her name is Gur. She's an albino, and she's a rat. She loves you guys. I'm not making her. She's ticklish. Ready? Tickle, 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 tickle. Whoa. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Are you pooping? Are you about to poop? Yes, you are about to poop. No, you're not. Good. So, yeah. I named her myself. She's my baby. My little baby. So, yeah. This is my baby. My baby. Oh, you stink. So, bye, guys. Say, Gurgur, say bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, so bye. I have 6 more. No, I have 5 more. Because we lost winners recently. Bye.